And so the tow bar is just going to attach to this bracket here. I've had the tow bar stripped and powder coated. This bit I didn't get powder coated, but I've just given it a coat of some hopefully tough hard wearing paint. We've got Witter bike rack bracket to go on, Dave Cooper bike rack which will also go on, and a new Towball. I'll leave links in the description for the Dave Cooper and where I got the Towball from. But just gonna bolt this bracket up and then put all of this on. It'll be just a quick video, a bit different to what I normally do with all the walking stuff, which I haven't been able to do at the moment. Just the old pesky dog getting quite old. She's not really up for much walking, but I'll keep myself busy with various car projects when I'm not walking. Because this 13-pin electrics is quite close to the bumper, I'll put this 13-pin to the older type electrics in, just so I know I've got clearance on the back bumper. However that goes. Look it out. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Yeah. So just bolted up, got some blue Loctite, although they are nylock nuts, I don't really need the blue Loctite, but I'll put a bit on anyway. So I couldn't really work out how to put that adapter in for the tow bar electrics. Oh, come on, I can hear it, it's just not coming out. Oh, there we go. There you go. One nut. So that's right, with that nipped up, let's see if I can get this in the tow bar electrics. Struggled with that. How does it work then? I don't know, I can't work it out. Because it just looks like you just have to twist it, but it's not twisting. It can only go in one way. How can I not work this out? It's plain simple. There's a little notch here which you align. By the look of it, you twist it in, but it's not twisting in. I don't see how it can twist with that little nog in there. I'm gonna have to leave that. I don't know if it doesn't work. As you can see, little notch there, and these, they've got that shape to them to fit in there. Right. It's embarrassing. Is it broke? Am I doing it wrong? I don't know. Concentrate on the fun bit. So got this part which I've had it powder coated for a Witter bike rack, and then the Dave Cooper bike rack. I've got second hand, messaged Dave Cooper about getting one, but then just last minute I had a look on Facebook Marketplace and found one locally quite cheap. But like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to the Dave Cooper bike rack. And then I think same again, a bit of blue Loctite. And got these shake-proof washers. Put them on as well. I can feel them biting in a bit. Oh, there then. 24 mil. God, but I'm pulling some faces trying to do that up. Okay, so regarding this, I worked it out. This middle bit is free to spin in there, which I thought it was fixed. I was like, how the hell can it go in if it's fixed? But it was just a bit tight. I managed to free it off. So that now fits. Just add it in. Sod's law, it won't work this time. But yeah. Oh, there we go. See, it's going in. So I've got enough space to open that up. I can just final torque these bolts at the side. But, it's a bit close to the bumper there. Can't really bend it down, it's gusseted. But it's all good. So my light board that I've got has got these old type pins in, not the 13 pin, but I thought I'd put 13 pin on the Volvo. Okay, welcome back. Some time has passed since I started recording this video. The last week I haven't really been feeling well, so now I'm sort of feeling alright and it's the weekend. Just thought I'll show you the installation of the Dave Cooper bike rack. It's quite simple to fit. With the rack you get these sort of items which simply fit in. Like so, and that just gives you the hoops to put your sort of bike in, some useful tie down straps sort of here and here. It's as simple as that. Quite robust. I was going to get the new rack, but this one was local and cheap. I've got more than one car, so I might be purchasing a Dave Cooper rack to fit to other vehicles. So simple as that to remove, just pull it out. I'd sort of 3D printed some little items out of a flexible filament. OCD of me was strong. Just to put over the bolts, like so. Just a nice little finishing touch in my eyes. I've got a cover for a Towball, which, full disclosure, I was given. Wasn't sponsored to me as such. But all fit tow bars and trailers in Lichfield. Went in to ask them if they've got anything that fit this style Towball. Kindly they said I can have it. Got a nice little reflector in there. I've got these blanks here, which are sort of 3D printed. Just to finish off, remove that. Let's finish it off nicely. So again, they're just 3D printed from a flexible TPU filament. Some more just for the nuts behind. And a round one for the Witter style tow bar. So all finished. First video I've ever done on cars. Work on cars quite a bit, but like always do find it a bit difficult talking to the camera. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Leave some comments if there's anything else that you want me to film in regards to, you know, the sort of Dave Cooper bike rack or even the Witter bike rack. I could do a little video on that. All in all, quite a robust system. Thank you for watching.